In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Robinhood account. So if you're trying to do this, the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you have a zero balance. So your account must have a $0.00 balance. This means selling all your stocks, ETFs, options, or cryptocurrencies and withdrawing all cash to your bank account. So please, if you're trying to cancel your Robinhood account for whatever reason, make sure you do that first. You will also need to close open positions. So all open positions like stocks, crypto, options must be sold or transferred to another brokerage. So it's really important that you withdraw all the funds over to your bank account and also cancel any pending transactions. If there's any pending orders, deposits, or withdrawals, these will prevent account closures. And if you have a Robinhood Gold subscription or other paid services, downgrade or cancel them first so that you're actually able to go ahead and actually deactivate your Robinhood account. So once you went ahead and done that, what you would need to do is you would need to go to the bottom menu and press on the profile just like so. Then you need to go to the top left and select on these three bars. From here, you would need to go ahead and scroll down until you see settings. Then you're going to see this option that says deactivate account. And once you press on it, it is then going to make you do the final task. It is going to ask you for confirmation. So again, it's really important that you only do this if you're 1000% sure you want to deactivate your Robinhood account. And then from there, you should be good to go. Now, keep in mind that closing your account takes up to 3 to 7 days after meeting all the requirements, and transfers may take longer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.